The Whiz Vacuum is an autonomous cleaning product that will revolutionize your approach to indoor floor care. Whilst it may be small in stature, the Whiz packs a punch when it comes to cleaning power. Using a simple QR code system, the Whiz will clean along the exact path that it's taught, and with 1,500 square meter coverage from a single charge, you'll never miss a spot. Safety is a key feature, and the machine's sensors can identify and negotiate any obstacles in real time. No area of your office will be off limits, as the Whiz's innovative steering mechanism allows for easy access to difficult-to-reach areas. All this cleaning capability is supported by an intuitive user display system that provides your teams with easy access to all the information they need. If you do want to stop the application, then the emergency stop button is there for a quick shutdown in any situation. Speak to us today to discover more about the industrial cleaning solutions available to purchase or hire from Briggs Equipment.